If you search linear bearings 8 millimeters, you see that some of the results say LM8UU and SCS8UU. So you might ask, what does that mean? While we can be pretty confident that LM stands for linear motion, usually the listing doesn't provide much insight on what the letters stand for. In this example, SCS, what's that? What's SBR? Sometimes you just have to use the picture to get an idea of what the term means. This site helped me to understand what UU stands for. I found that by far this site was the most rigorous. The letters UU means that there is a seal on both sides. If we search for the letters SCS, it finds nothing here. And if we go down here, we see there's a PDF something, which I already have open right here. And this PDF, it might be older, maybe, because the table number is the same, but it looks different, or I'm not sure what's going on there. But it's actually the whole guide. So if we search SCS here, it finds nothing. I searched for SCS here, here, and here, but it looks like the Amazon picture is a better bet if there are some arbitrary looking letters. I like how this site explains that the origin of some of these terms is from Asia. Maybe SCS stands for self-contained system, but who knows?